Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Hemingway Editor integration with AI detailed guide step by step clearly. To uninstall the Hemingway Editor integration with AI, begin by opening your computer. Locate the Hemingway Editor application on your device. If you're using a Mac, find it in the Applications folder. For Windows users, navigate to the Start menu. Right-click on the Hemingway Editor icon. Select Uninstall from the drop-down menu. Follow the prompts that appear to confirm the uninstallation. If you have any AI integrations installed as extensions, open your web browser. Go to the Extensions or Add-ons section in your browser settings. Locate the AI integration related to Hemingway Editor. Click on the Remove or Uninstall option next to the integration. After you've uninstalled the AI integration, restart your browser. To ensure everything is removed, open the Hemingway Editor again. Check if the AI features are still active or present. If they are, you may need to clear the browser cache. Open the Settings menu in your browser. Find the Privacy or History section. Select the option to clear your browsing data. Make sure to check the box for cached images and files. Confirm the action to clear the cache. Once done, reopen the Hemingway Editor. Verify that the AI integration has been fully uninstalled. You have successfully removed the Hemingway Editor integration with AI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.